family was from down there. And so he went over to talk to him, and he said, yeah, I'm the grandson of so-and-so. You know, I'm the grandson of so-and-so. And so we're down here for the weekend visiting, you know, his grandpa. And he just told him like, yeah, we brought our own tent, so we're gonna camp in the woods. You know, build a bonfire net, and then the sheriff kind of eased up, because he's like, okay, so you're what's his name's boy, huh? And so I guess he knew his father too. You know, small town, everybody kind of knows everybody. And I think, yeah, he knew his father because he left to go to like a trade school to work on a union elevator for a union elevator company downtown in Chicago, fixing elevators and stuff and maintaining them. And so, yeah, he said, you're so-and-so's boy who went up to the big city to work on them elevators. So yeah, he even knew that much. I mean, he is the sheriff. Gotta have all the intel. So guys, we are on County Road 69. So there's an exit right here for Alton. Yeah, there's a trail over there up on the levee, but yeah, that trail looked horrible. No, they're big overpass, guys. Not that big, but there we go. Alright guys, so we made up for our time already. 4:37. There's the new ETA. Cahokia. Pogue Road. And now we're going down the new Pogue Road. SIUE Cougars. Southern Illinois University. Alright, so Southern Illinois University, Edwardsville. Alright. Simmons Baseball Complex here. All right. I don't know what's happening, guys, whether the pavement got so rough or something's happening. Yeah, it's a red pavement. Quite strange there. All right. A very long incline. So I take it